Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our built-in functions, that is a aggregation function. This is the last topic. Okay, how we can able to use in our MySQL. Okay, sorry. Aggregation functions. We have some set of functions. Okay, average, sum, min, max, and count. These are the functions we have. Average is basically we can say like employee salaries is there. Okay, one company have some list of employees. In that, who is the average salary in that particular one? We are going to identify. By that, we can able to use the average. And if you say sum of that entire employees, we can able to use the sum. And if you want a minimum value in that particular one, you can able to get it maximum number maximum salary in the employees, we can able to get the list. If you want for enter all the things, the count star we can able to use. Okay, even we can able to use for group by and all the things we can able to use to identify that things. Okay, how we can able to use these kind of operations. Okay, now I'm going to use for this particular product. Okay, I'm going to make that like this aggregation is basically what definition is like. Aggregation function is to perform the calculation on multiple rows of data and returns a single summarized value. Okay, this called a aggregation, and we can able to use a group by class, and we can able to get the immediately. Okay, independently also we can able to do that without group by class. Okay, that group by class I will explain in the next video session. Okay, now here I'm going to use the count is basically count the number of rows in a result set. It can count all the rows or only those where a specifically columns is not null. If there is any column is null, it will not count it. If it is not there, then it will count. Okay. For this, I'm going to use the count. Okay. Price, I'm going to give that. Okay. Price. Now, if I run this one, now total records is basically 77. 77 records. See, 77 records it is provided and it is count that. Okay. Now another one is sum. All the employees salary I want to add, then I use for sum functionality. It will sum that entire things and it will return for how much price it is there after adding all the users. Okay, it is a numeric value it will provide. Okay, average of the value whose value it is like in the entire these products there is an average price. What is the average price of that particular one? Average price is basically 28.8664 is the average price. Okay, and we have another function called min function. What is the minimum smallest value? Okay, min value means smallest value, which is the one it is there. Okay, minimum 2.5. Okay, if you want to see that whether it is a 2.5 is a min value or not, see here. If there is anything, it is below the 2 point or not. See 2.5 here, it is the one. Okay. After that, I'm not seeing for any lowest value for below 2.5. Okay. That is the 2.5 is the minimum value. Okay. Maximum, I think this is a 263.5. I hope it. Okay. Maximum value will try. For max, we can able to use for max and price. Yeah. 263.5 is the maximum value. Okay. And we have some group concatenation and all. We'll see in the later video session those things. Okay. And we have some Typical ways also we can able to use like a combination of the aggregations like a count, average, max, sal, and all the things also we can able to mix and we can able to use it. Okay, this is the maximum salary. Okay, and I'm going to use for count, price as total, total count. Okay, now here a max as total max. Okay, and min price as total underscore min. Okay, see, total count, total max, total min. Okay, like this we can able to see. Okay, even you can able to use some which is the products you have to see, right? Now here the supplier ID, where supplier ID, based upon the supplier ID I want to see, that also you can able to see for that as well. Okay, and if you see now here, now I'm going to use for supplier ID, comma, uh, max price. Okay, products, and we can use for group by supplier ID, group by supplier ID. See what from the group by every supplier ID, based upon the supplier ID, what is that maximum price it is there, that we are going to see this. Okay, like this also we can able to see. Okay, and even we can able to create some complex also. Okay, we can join the two objects like that also we can do that. Okay, we'll see in the later video sessions. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.